Wee. What you guys doing over there? Oh, I see Starsky threw some more stuffing out of that toy I've got to go pick up. What are you doing, my little friend? Solo, solo, solo. Hi, buddy. Oh, hi there. Lenny. Hi, Lenny. Come here, boys. Come here, boys. Lenny. Solo. Oh, well, it's too exciting. We were taking a break from. Oh, what you doing, Pumpkinhead? You like to sit back and watch, don't you? Hi, Solo. Yeah, good boy, Sid. That's a good boy. Can we do the high five? Whoops, there we go. High five. You don't want to? I don't have anything good for you. Yeah, I know it's playtime. I know it's playtime, buddy. Okay. We'll come back and try to get you again doing your course. It's really hard to do with one hand and this camera. Let's see. I gotta go in. My goodie container is empty. Okay. You guys are awful cute playing. Lenny, are you playing with the big dogs? You're playing with the big dogs? Yeah. Good boy, Lenny. Good boy, Starsky. Good girl, Siri. Oh, what you doing, buddy? You want it going? Oh, hi, Lenny. Hi there, kids. Woo. Oh, you guys move so fast I can't even get you. Da da da. Da da da. Yeah, you guys run some energy off. I'll go fill up your puzzles. What are you clowns doing? What are you clowns doing? All right, we'll be back.